guys, Cyanide here. I'm going to work on the shop truck today. I want to keep the progress on this pretty constant as well, so I can photograph this vehicle with the roadster rat rod before it gets auctioned off. So, because I don't get to keep it, so I'd like to get some memories of it before it goes, and I think they'd look good sitting together. Anyway, I've got scrounged up some electrics. I got an old TZ I've had sitting around forever. I've got the servo I'm going to put back in here, tacked its receiver. I'll take the CAN motor that's in here out because it's an old one, a dead one that I just use for mocking up purposes. And the other thing is the receiver. This is a Tamiya TU 105BK. This was the original receiver I used in Fat Betty when I was testing it out. So I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll weld a little plate on the back here and mount that behind the seat. That'll fit quite nicely down there. They'll be hidden out of view. Batteries can go up here. At some stage I'll velcro those in, so I'll set this up in the corner there of the time lapse, and we'll get these electrics kind of set and mocked up and ready to go. And once that's done in there, I can weld the rear body onto the chassis. Okay, so I've pretty much done the electrics as far as mounting the electrics is concerned. I've put the proper motor in there, the working one. I've put a plate here on the back with velcro, and that's where the speed controller is connected back there. And under the dash in there, maybe you can see a little bit, is the servo, and tucked in under there is the receiver. So that's pretty much it. I found out that the gas bottle in my welder is empty, so I can't weld the body on here now, which is a bit of a bum steer, but that's the way it is. I'll have to go and get the bottle refilled during the week or next week or something like that. So in the meantime, instead, I'll switch back to the front here. I've got to attach the radiator properly, make a fake radiator shower, or at least make a fake radiator go on it, and put the big turbo here, and then weather it a little bit. Oh, also, I've got a steering. I'll spin that around. I still have to do the steering links from the axle to the servo. So yeah, I've got plenty to do in the meantime without welding this body on. So cool, I think it fits in there pretty good. The electrics will be pretty well hidden. So yeah, alright guys, cheers for watching, and catch you on the next video. See ya.